Hello my dear friends, as I told you that today I am trying to explain you homogeneous solution of homogeneous differential equation. So what is the homogeneous differential equation? Homogeneous differential equation is nothing but differential equation which is written as dy dx is equal to f of xy over g of xy. If this function f of xy and denominator also f g of xy both have the same degree of term up and down, or you can say the degree of up, degree of numerator is same everywhere and degree of the denominator is same everywhere, then that type of differential equation is called homogeneous differential equation. If it is homogeneous differential equation, then easy way to solve that, you have to adopt two substitution. Number one, replace everywhere y, where y is given, replace y equal to vx. It means that a place where y is available, you have to replace vx. Number second, dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx, and then solve it by using algebraic way, means variable separable and whatever. On the continuation of that one, just I am going to explain you how to solve this differential equation. So for the solution of that one, we need to put as in terms of dy dx. So we can write it by using algebra. X square plus y square over x. Now see that one here, degree 1, and this is because of square root, so it's come also degree 1. So what you have to do for the solution of that one, put y equal to vx and dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx. Replace these value here and then check what becomes equation 1. I am assuming that one the equation 1. dy dx means v plus x dv dx is equal to y means vx plus square root of x square plus y square means v square x square over x. Simplify until the last step, that means vx plus, see that one, we can keep outside x, so x square, when you keep outside, this is square root, so square root of x square means x, when you come keep it outside, and it is 1 plus v square divided by x. So see that one, this x there, so keep outside x here, so it comes now v plus square root of 1 plus v square divided by x, and now cancel this x, cancel this x. So when you cancel this x, what happened? The solution of that one is now, after that one, after simplification of this one, we get like that one. So see that one here, we can cancel now v and v. After cancellation, what is remaining part? Remaining part is x dv dx equal to 1 plus v square square root. Now use the variable separable method. We can write it dv over 1 plus v square equal to dx over x. Now integrate that one. The integration of that one is 1 divided sine hyperbolic. The integration of that one by standard rule is sine hyperbolic inverse v is equal to ln of x plus c. What is v? Where v means y divided by x. Just change that one. So it comes sine hyperbolic v means y over x equal to ln of x plus c. So this is the answer of that question. Hope you people understand that one. Question number 2. Question number 2 is solve the homogeneous differential equation, as this will given in the examination that solve the homogeneous differential equation. So no need to worry about that one. But we can try to solve. We can write it like that one, and then we will identify also. dy dx is equal to y times ln of y minus ln of x plus 1 divided by x. This is homogeneous differential equation. If this one is homogeneous differential equation, then nothing we have to do, just replace y equal to vx and dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx. Now replace dy dx means v plus x dv dx is equal to y means vx, and see that one, this is ln of y minus ln of x. So by using rule, this comes like that, plus 1 over x. What is that? There is rule that ln of m minus ln of n is equal to ln of m by n. Now v plus x dv dx is equal to vx into ln vx divided by x plus 1 divided by x. Just simplify it. So it comes v plus x dv dx equal to v times ln of v, this cancel, plus 1. Now simplify it. Now simplify means, what is this now? V plus x dv dx equal to v ln of v plus v. Now can I cancel this one? Yes. So what is after cancellation coming? It comes as x dv dx is equal to v ln of v. Now use variable separable method. What we can write it, dv over v ln of v is equal to dx over x, and integrate it. So how we can integrate? Just replace here, put here ln of v is equal to t, and then we get ln of v, derivative of ln of v means 1 by v, dv is equal to dt. So after that one, we people found that it is now dv divided by v means dt, as I showed you in the previous line, and ln of v means t equal to dx over x. So what is that? Integrated. Ln t equal to ln of x plus ln of c. Now replace t. T is equal to what? Ln v is equal to ln of m plus n is ln of mx. By using this rule, ln of m plus ln of n is equal to ln of mn. This is rule. So now using that one, we can cancel ln. So ln of v is equal to cx. So what is v? Or we can write it v equal to e power cx. What is v? V means y divided by x equal to e power cx. Or we can write it y is equal to, this one is general solution, this one is also solution, but if you write like that one, x times e power cx, then this is called also general solution, but that type of solution is also known as, see my dear friends, this one is, if you write like that one, then it is called implicit solution. But if you write complete result in terms of y only, then this one is called explicit solution. This is the answer of that question number. Next, question number 3. Solve the homogeneous differential equation given as x dy dx is equal to y minus x sine square y by x. So what you have to do? Again, you try to solve it by putting dy dx first. So dy dx is y by x minus x divided by x sine square y divided by x. Because of this is homogeneous differential equation, so nothing, again you have to use y equal to vx and dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx. Replace this one. So it is coming as v plus x dv dx equal to y means vx divided by x minus this cancel. So it is coming as sine square vx divided by x. Cancel this one. So it is coming as v plus x dv dx is equal to v minus sine square v. So can I cancel this one? Yes. So what is the remaining part? X dv dx is equal to minus sine square v. Now solve it by using variable separable method. So when you try to solve it, we can write it like dv divided by sine square v with negative equal to dx divided by x and integrate it. So when you try to integrate, this becomes now, see, we can write it minus csc square of v dv is equal to integration dx by x. Why? Because of 1 by sine x is cosine csc of x. So integration of csc square x is minus cotangent. So minus minus plus cotangent of x equal to v equal to ln of x plus c. Now replace the v value. It is coming cotangent. V means y divided by x is equal to ln of x plus c. Now, if question asks as write explicit solution, then what you have to do? You can write it like that one. Cotangent y by x is equal to ln of x plus ln of c. So we can write it like cotangent y by x is equal to ln of cx, or y by x is equal to cotangent inverse of ln of cx, or y is equal to x cotangent inverse of ln of cx. If question asks like write explicit solution. Explicit solution means you have to write y only, the value of y. No y square, no y power 3, no square root of y, like that one. Then that one is called explicit solution. So you can write it like that one. This one is also answer. And this one is also answer. But this one is called explicit solution. This one is called implicit solution. Hopefully you understand this one, my dears. Next question. Solve the homogeneous differential equation x dy dx is equal to y minus y square by x. So what we have to do, just for the solution of that one, just write dy dx first. So dy dx means y by x minus y square divided by x square, because of you have to divide it. So when you divide, so y by x and this. So now same value, put the value of dy dx and y by x. So we know that one, so I am going to write directly. Dy dx means v plus x dv dx is equal to y means vx divided by x minus v square divided by x square divided by x square. Now cancel if you can cancel. So I can cancel this y, this and this. So what is the remaining part? V plus x dv dx is equal to v minus v square. Now check how this becomes easy. Now we can cancel this one and this one. So what is remaining? X dv dx is equal to minus v square. Now solve it by using variable separable method. So when you try to solve it by using variable separable method, this will come now dv divided by v square is equal to minus dx divided by x, and now integrate it. So just put it v power minus 2 dv is equal to minus dx divided by x. So integration of that one is v power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus ln of x plus c. Now we can write it 1 by this one minus ln of x plus c. Replace the value of y. So v means minus 1 divided by y divided by x equal to minus ln of x plus c, or simply x divided by y is equal to minus ln of x plus c. If anyone who needs explicit solution, then change the value of that one, otherwise this one is the answer. Hopefully you understand this question also, my dear. Next question is, my dears, solve the homogeneous differential equation of x square dy dx equal to xy dy dx minus y square. So again my question to that, we need to write dy dx first. So just transfer this one here. X square dy dx minus xy dy dx is equal to minus y square. So what we have to check that one, we can keep outside this dy dx and this dy dx. So keep outside, I mean take common. So what is remaining? X square minus xy is equal to minus y square. Therefore dy dx is equal to dy dx is equal to minus y square divided by x square minus xy. Now because of minus, negativity always becomes difficult, so we need to put it as in terms of positive. So we can write it dy dx is equal to y square divided by xy minus x square, keeping minus x common here, and then this x, this minus and this minus cancel. Now you, because of this is homogeneous differential equation, so just try to replace dy dx means v plus x dv dx is equal to y means vx, that means v square x square divided by x into y means vx, so v into x square minus x square. So see that one, it comes now like that one, v plus x dv dx is equal to v square x square, keep outside x square, so it is coming v minus 1. Remember that one, my dear friend, I am telling you that one, in homogeneous differential equation, if you try to solve, see that one, from here up to this step, no differentiation or no integration, difficult type of integration is required, just only simplify up to the last step. But the important thing is that one, when you try to solve homogeneous differential equation, means when you try to the last step, always see that one, in every question x will cancel out. If it is not, that means your calculation is wrong. So what you have to do, suppose that this x square and here x, so what you have to do, check, maybe your calculation is wrong, because of if as x is present, then maybe this creates difficulty to you. Now simplified, it is v plus x dv dx is equal to v square divided by v minus 1. Now replace this one, that means simplified, x dv dx is equal to v square divided by v minus 1 minus v. Now use simple type of algebra. So v square minus v into v minus 1 divided by v minus 1. Again simplify, we can write it x dv dx is equal to v square minus v square, multiply this by this one and this by this one. So minus v square plus v divided by v minus 1. Now check that one, we can cancel this and this. If you cancel this and this, then what is remaining part? Remaining part is x dv dx is equal to v divided by v minus 1. Now trying to solve this differential equation by using variable separable method, we can write it like v minus 1 divided by v dv equal to dx divided by x. Now integrate it. So integrate means, before going to integrate, just we can simplify it, v by v minus 1 by v, we can write it like that one, equal to dx divided by x. Now this and this cancel, so what is remaining? 1 minus 1 by v dv is equal to ln of, dx divided by x. Now integrate it. Integration of 1 with respect to v means v minus integration of 1 by v with respect to dv is ln of v is equal to integration of dx divided by the ln of x plus ln of c. Now try to simplify it. V means y divided by x minus ln y divided by x into ln of cx. Now if you want to simplify, otherwise put it like that one. This one is your answer of that question. Hopefully you, my dear friend, you understand this one. Now next question, solve the homogeneous differential equation. X dy dx is equal to y ln of this. Now my dear friend, this is the next question. Solve homogeneous differential equation. X dy dx is equal to y ln of y by x. So what we have to do, again as I told you that one, for the solution of that one, we need to write dy dx. dy dx means y by x into ln of y divided by x. Now replace dy dx as v plus x dv dx, and y means vx divided by x ln vx divided by x. So now simplify it. V plus x dv dx, cancel this one, v ln of v, v ln of v. Now see that one, v plus x dv dx, just simplify it. So just simplify means just use like separate this one here, x dv dx is equal to v ln of v minus v, and keep outside v as common, ln of v minus 1 x dv dx. After keeping outside minus 1, we can write it like that one, means use variable separable method. Use here variable separable. What is that? dv over v times ln of v minus 1 is equal to dx divided by x, and integrate it. Integration for that one no problem, but integration for that one just I am putting that. If you put ln of v minus 1 as t, if you put ln of v minus 1 as t, if you put here ln of v minus 1 as t and differentiate, this comes 1 by v, dv is equal to dt. So see that one, dv divided by v means dt. So we can write it in place of this question, dv divided by v means dt, and ln of v minus 1 means t is equal to dx divided by x. Now simplify it. Derivative integration of dt over t is ln of t is equal to ln of x plus ln of c. As I told you before that one, everywhere is coming as ln, so write it like that one. Now ln of t is equal to ln of cx. Cancel ln, so it is coming t is equal to cx. What is t? T means ln v minus 1 equal to cx. Now simplify it. ln of v is equal to cx plus 1. Simplify it. V ln v means y divided by x equal to cx plus 1. This is your answer. If you need to write that solution, if you need to write that solution as explicit form, then you can simplify. Otherwise, put it like that one. This is your answer. Hopefully you understand about this homogeneous differential equation, my dear friends.